The chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board, Lambor Malngiang, today released a booklet documenting the activities of Meghalaya State Planning Board for the year 2018-2019 at Yojana Bhavan Main Secretariat Building in Shillong. Speaking to the media at releasing the booklet, Malngiang informed the board has undertaken various initiatives, including various suggestions and recommendations to the government of Meghalaya. Among them, Malngiang said that the board is recommending foreseeing of more vehicle pollution testing centers in the state. In this regard, Malngiang said Meghalaya Urban Development Authority should come up with the proposal on the mega parking project. He said that the board held review meeting with the officers of Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, Power Department and heads of department about the progress of the implementation of their schemes. When asked about the fish ponds in the state, Malngiang said there are 25,000 fish ponds across the state as per information received by the board, and he was optimistic that the surplus fish produced by the state could be sold to the neighboring countries, Bangladesh and nearby states.
Fish ponds which was constructed through the commission that will be jointly inspected one of these days. We have been trying to visit few places, but because of the lockdown, because of the pandemic, we are unable to carry forth with our mission. And looking forward that we'll be able to perform our best and give the best services to the state as a whole. We have been exported fish from other states, and with the 25,000 ponds that was already in place, we would like to ensure that these 25 ponds will produce enough fish that we can export from our state to maybe to Bangladesh or other part of the country. So we will look forward. I have no comments on that, whether the government of India is willing to construct more fish ponds. But with what we have seen today, we have 25 numbers of fish pond which is already constructed. So we will first see how it's functioning. This is my message. 25,000, yes.